good morning. Welcome to pre-market report on 4th November 2022. So let us look at the global cues. So yesterday, US markets are almost flat. So we are not finding any movement. Actually, Dow Jones was 100 points down, then it is 50 points down. It's almost flat trading. And XGS Nifty made low of 18,020 and a high of 18,114 and again closed around 18,092, which is almost similar closer to our yesterday's closing, that is 18,052. So expecting market may open as a flat. So usually if the market is opening flat, so it will be a big issue for traders, which means it may go anywhere. It may be a buy or sell. You can expect some good amount of move if the market are opening flat. So let us see the way. So open interest, here for open interest for this week, that is 10th November, you can see both call option and put option were written heavily. So only for Nifty in the money put option buying you can see, but apart from this, lot of call option and put option are written, and this may change after pre-market, and it will show you the direction exactly by 9:10. So where the market will move. And if you look at the Bank Nifty for this expiry, again you can see a small amount of call option buying and put option is completely red, and you can see only one unwinding, that is in 42,900 put option. So if you take at the view, let me show you in chart. If we say last week candle for Nifty, you can see the entire week market is trading between 18,173 to 17,914, almost 200 points. So it is not even 200 points, but in the entire week has been closed within this. So if it have deployed 18,000 short straddle, so we will be in an excellent profit for the last week. So expected the market may move similar like this even for this week. Maybe instead of 18,000, we may switch over to 18,100 short straddle. If we look at the daily time frame for Nifty, the support and resistance zone, again the Nifty has to break 18,100, but you can see, I think the 50 days moving average in short term, it is crossing your 100 days moving average. So this may show some bearish view expecting. So once the Nifty crossing 18,200, it may be bullish. Okay, so the immediate support again it will be 18,028. If you see the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty weekly range, so see Bank Nifty again, it is trading between 40,839 to 41,600. Again, 700 to 800 points. It is again completely a range bound market in case of Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So it has to break 41,600. Still it is not broken, it is trading in that range itself. It has to gap up and it has to break for the next week. Okay, so we'll see how the trading will be. And if you see the intraday levels for Bank Nifty, So Bank Nifty intraday levels, it has to break 41,400, then 41,600. So we'll see again, like if we are planning for like next week, the next week we can plan, if the market is like this, then we can plan 18,100 call option and put option selling, and we can buy a hedge maybe 18,500 and 17,600 or 700. So we'll convert this as an iron fly, so that you may end up with a profit if the market is trading like this. So hope you enjoyed watching video. So if you are not subscribed our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon, so that you will get a regular updates whenever I am posting a new videos. Free demat and trading account link is available in description, so you can make use of it. And workshop details are available in website. You can check the website details in description. Thank you, friends. We'll come up with a new video.